Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Paulos and it is the third video series of Facebook ads course. In this video, we'll discuss about Facebook ads account structure and we will understand the ad set and how you can map your business goal to the ad set. Now that we have already created a Facebook ads manager account and a Facebook business manager account. So now this video is going to be the last theory video and afterward we'll jump into the platform and we'll try to create campaigns. Guys, if you are new here, I thank you for checking out my content. And if it is informative what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with the latest videos. And at the end of this video, I will announce a giveaway. So please watch this video till the end. Now, when we talk about the structure, we have to understand how campaigns are structured in Facebook ads before we create a campaign. Now, to give you a rough idea, we have Facebook ad account like it is displayed here. There are three levels to your account structure: the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level. First, we have to create a campaign. This campaign could be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales. At the ad set level, you determine who your target audience is and what placements you want to show your ads on and how much you want to spend. You can set a daily and lifetime budget on each ad set. So Facebook will automatically allocate your budget to get the best result of your ad set. And at the ad level, you create the actual ad. Okay. Now, one thing to understand here is in any kind of a campaign, the first thing that needs to be there is the ad, which we will show to the target audience with the creatives. Your creatives could be statics, videos, carousels, or collections. For example, if it is the static creative, then we have to create one of how this creative will look like on the feed placements. For example, if it is the static creative, then we have to create one of how this creative will look like on the feed placements. Or if it is the video creative, then we have to upload the video creative as well in the UI. When I say UI, then it refers to the ad manager platform. So guys, every campaign objective needs to have its own ad creative. Now, apart from the ad creative, we also need to target the audience that we should be interested to show our ads. For example, if we were an Apple company, then our target audience would be people who are interested in iPhones, Apple Watches, wireless earphones, or smartphones or smartwatches. These are the target audiences we have to update on the asset level and the creative as well in the UI. Now, people may have a doubt in their mind if we have a Facebook ad account and we create one campaign, then why don't we directly add our creatives and our ad copy to the campaign? Why do we have one more level as an ad set? So guys, to give you an idea here, there are tons of use cases why we must create an ad set as well within the campaign in the UI. For example, if you see here, then this is the Go Noise brand. I'm just taking this brand name as to just clear a picture of how the ad sets work. Let's assume this brand has an online store where people can purchase their products according to their demands, be it watches, mobile phones, earbuds, speakers, and smart home applications. On the left-hand side, you see a bunch of potential target audience such as CrossFit, physical fitness, physical exercise, sports tracker, activity tracker. So these are the audience who would be interested in this particular product and which could help them to keep an eye on their health as well. And if you see here, then here is the different audience as Amazon Echo, virtual assistants, soundbar, smart technologies. So this kind of the audience would be more interested in the product which is on the right hand side of this slide. Now, this is the reason why we need to create a campaign for a brand that has multiple services or products. So Facebook offers the option of ad sets. With one campaign, you can create multiple ad sets. Now, again, you may have a doubt in your mind, why don't we just create a separate campaigns for each product? To give you answer on this, it could be more hectic to create campaigns for each of them, even though it looks so pretty simple. For example, if you have a total budget of running your campaign of $10,000 and you have 15 products in your online store, then in this case, I will have to create each campaign with $666, but there might be an overlap. So your campaign might compete with each other. So at one point, your Facebook ads might show ads because one campaign is independent. Okay, now let me give you another example. If you see here, I have put a sample of ad sets for a campaign. Here you can see two different ad sets for each target audience along with the ad formats. In ad set 1, I have listed a few of the audiences such as Samsung Galaxy, mobile phones, iPhone lovers, smartphones, iPhone, Android services. So this kind of the audiences would be interested in our product, that is iPhone. And in the second ad set, we are targeting people who are in CrossFit, physical fitness, physical exercise, sport tracker. So this kind of the audience would be our potential audience for the Apple Watch. And the ad format would be browsers and collections. Now you may have another doubt in your mind. What is collection ad format? The collection is an ad format that lets people move from discovery to purchase in a smooth and immersive way. Each collection ad features a primary video or image with three small images in a grid layout. So whenever a customer taps on your collection ad to browse, he will be seamlessly taken to a fast landing page through an instant experience, all without leaving Facebook and Instagram. Now, please understand this also, one ad set can have multiple ads as well. And if we go here, just to give you an example of how the setup would look like. For example, okay, for the rest of this course, I will try to stick with one brand, that is Apple, because it would be easier for you to understand the process. So for example, if we are working for it or as a company, we'll have a business account, which will be named as a Apple Global, under which they will have a multiple ad accounts such as Apple space APAC space USD space Apple Store as an ad account one. And the another account would be look like as an Apple space EMEA space USD space Apple Store. So guys, this is the account structure looks like. We have a Facebook Business Manager account under which we have Ads Manager accounts, and under each account you have multiple campaigns. Guys, it looks pretty simple. You just need to be in focus to understand all of these. Now, I think it's pretty enough to understand the functionality of Facebook ads, and I believe it's a right time to start creating our first campaign. So we should start with an awareness or traffic campaign first, which will be in the next video. Now it's time for quick fire questions. I have listed three questions here as usual, and I want you to participate. You can put your answers in comment box. The first question is, can we have two different ad formats in the same ad set? The second question is, where do we apply the flighting, that is start and end date? And the third question is, what are the campaign objectives that Facebook offers? Okay, so guys, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm here to announce my first giveaway that's going to help us grow our community and learn something new along the way. I will be giving AirPods to a lucky winner in my first giveaway. But before I get into that, let me explain how you can participate in this giveaway. Step one is subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Step two is watch any three of my educational video from my channel and leave a comment on each of them. Let me know what you have learned and what you found interesting or what you would like to see in the future videos. Step three is share this video with your friends and family who you think would benefit from my educational video. And the more people you enter, the more chances we have to learn something new together. And the step four is fill out this form in order to be a lucky winner of this giveaway. I have put this link to the form in the description and pinned comments as well. I will be announcing a lucky winner on May 30th, so make sure you are subscribed by that time and keep an eye on your notifications to see if you have won. So guys, that's pretty much for this particular video. If you want to see more of this series, I will put the playlist link of this course in the I button. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next.